this tutorial video, I am going to teach on a lesson in social studies which is called weather and climate. So to start with, there is need for you to understand the meaning of the two words which are weather and climate. So I'll start with weather. Weather refers to the condition of the place in a given short period of time. Then climate refers to the atmospheric weather condition of the place over a long period of time for not less than 35 years. So from these two definitions, we can see that weather occurs in 24 hours because it occurs in a short period of time. But for climate occurs in a longer period of time which exceeds 30 years. That means we can only observe climate change after 35 years. Apart from the meaning of these two words, which are weather and climate, I am going to give you again the other explanation of the other terminologies. We have the other important word in our topic, which is called climatology. The other one is what we call meteorology. So climatology is the study of climate. Then meteorology is the study of weather. Whenever you hear the term called meteorologist now, just know that it refers to a place where weather studies are conducted. A meteorological station is sometimes known as a weather station. So a meteorological station is a weather station. Let me now move on to the next step. The next step here, I am going to explain on what we call elements of weather. All the things that make up weather are the ones that are called elements of weather. In number, there are 7. The list of those elements of weather is this one here. We have the first element of weather, which is called rainfall. The second one is wind. The third one is sunshine. The fourth one is humidity. The other one is called temperature. The other one is called air pressure. Then the other one is called cloud cover. So in total, there are 7 elements of weather. In this video, I am going to teach on the first element of weather, which is called rainfall. So learners, whenever you hear the term rainfall, just know that rainfall refers to water falling from the sky. The water that falls from the sky is the one that is called rainfall. This rainfall is one of the elements of weather. This rainfall, again, what you must know is that it is measured by an instrument which is called a rain gauge. A rain gauge measures rainfall in units that are called millimeters. So let me go back to the first part. The other vital thing, learners, that you must know is that there are 3 types of rainfall. The first type of rainfall is the one that is called convection rainfall. Then the second type of rainfall is the one that is called convergence rainfall. Then the last type of rainfall is the one that is called relief rainfall. So I'll explain on these 3 types of rainfall in this video. The first type of rainfall, which is called convection rainfall, is the type of rainfall that mostly occurs in hot regions. The rainfall that Zambia experiences is the one that is called convection rainfall. It is the one that is characterized with thunders and lightnings. Most of this type of rainfall, which is called convection rainfall, it occurs in the afternoons. It is brought about as a result of water that evaporates from different water sources to the atmosphere there. Then we go to the second type of rainfall. The second type of rainfall is the one that is called relief or orographic rainfall. This is the type of rainfall that occurs in mountainous areas. This type of rainfall is brought about as a result of 2 different air masses that usually meet at a place that has got a lot of mountains. So in short, relief rainfall or orographic rainfall is the type of rainfall that occurs in mountainous areas. We go to the last type of rainfall. The last type of rainfall now is the one that is called convergence rainfall. This type of rainfall has got two different names. It is sometimes known as frontal rainfall, sometimes it is known as cyclonic rainfall. This type of rainfall, it is brought about as a result of two different air masses that usually meet at a place that is called the ITCZ. ITCZ, it is sometimes known as a flat or intertropical convergence zone. This type of rainfall occurs when warm air meets cold air, then that air is forced to rise in the atmosphere. Then in the atmosphere there, as the water condenses, it forms clouds. After clouds, then the water again falls back to the surface of the earth in form of rainfall. The last point that I am going to explain in this video is that under rainfall, what you must know is that there are lines that are drawn on maps joining places of equal rainfall. Those lines are the ones that are called isolates. Isolates are these lines that you are seeing on this map joining places of equal rainfall. These lines are the ones that are called isolates. So in the next video, I am going to teach on the other elements of weather. All the things that make up weather are the ones that are called elements of weather. Thank you for watching my